Welcome to our official YouTube channel of Asmi Goswami College of Engineering. I, Professor Rakesh Purabia from Mathematics Department. Today we will discuss minors and cofactors of given matrices. Okay, given matrix you can say. Okay, when you have more than one matrix, you can say matrices. So here, first of all, we start given matrix. For example, here we have taken a matrix A, whose order is 3 cross 3, or you can say dimension 3 cross 3. Okay, entries are A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, 32 and 33. Okay, now for first of all we find minors and cofactors. So first of all we go for minors. So for here we have written M11. What it shows? Minor of entry A11. This entry. Okay, so how it calculated? Minor of A11. What it is? Whatever row and column it comes, first row and first column you have to neglect. So rest of A22, A23, A32, A33, and this you can solve by cross multiplication with minus sign. This one, simple 2 cross 2 determinant. This way we can find minor shows M11 shows minor of A11. Similarly, आज રીતે A12 માટે શું લખી શકશું? M12 તો એ જે રો અને કોલમમાં આવે એ કોલમને નિગ્લેક્ટ કરો. તો અહીંયા છે ફર્સ્ટ રો અને સેકન્ડ કોલમને નિગ્લેક્ટ કરો તો તમારી પાસે એન્ટ્રી કઈ વધે છે? A21, A23, A31, A33. આ થયું ને? પછી એની સિમ્પ્લિફિકેશન આપો તો આ થશે A21 into A33 minus A31 into A23. The same way M13 માટે first row and third column સિવાયની એન્ટ્રી લખી નાખો. So this becomes A21, A22, A31, A32. This one M13. This one. Then again simplification A21 into A32 minus A31 into A22. Same way A21 માટે find કરો, A22 માટે find કરો, A23 માટે find કરો. All entries you will find minus. For example, randomly we have taken this one A22. So what happened? Second row and second column સિવાયની જે એન્ટ્રી હોય એને કાઢી નાખો. તો એ થશે A11, A13, A31, A33 and simplify it. A11 into A33 minus A13 into A31. Same way, as continue the process. Last one. What this will happen? M33. So here, so neglect third row and third column. So entries are A11, A12, A21 and A22. This entry, and this you can solve by A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12. This way you can find minors of given matrix. Now, one step ahead. For cofactor, what happens? Cofactors. Here I write C11. It shows cofactor of this one. It is nothing but minus 1 power 1 plus 1. What it is? Minus 1 power 1 plus 1. What it is shows? So cofactor is nothing but minus 1 power whatever element address given to you, its sum into minor. So અહીંયા તમારી પાસે maximum થઈ જશે. You can solve this as minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into bracket માં A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32. This one. This way you can solve. Same way C12 આ થશે -1 power 1 plus 2 અહીંયા એડ્રેસ 1 plus 2 into minus તો અહીંયા થશે તમારી પાસે -1 power 1 plus 2 in bracket A21 into A33 minus A23 into A31. This one. Same process you will continue for all this. So here to say C13 equal to -1 power 1 plus 3. So this becomes into -1. This becomes -1 power -1 ની power 1 plus 3 into in bracket A21 into A32 minus A31 into A22. This way you can find out. Same way C21 minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into this multiplication. So this becomes -1 power 2 plus 1 in bracket A12 into A33 minus A32 or A13 into A32. This way. Same process. This becomes C22. So this becomes -1 power 2 plus 2. So this becomes -1 power 2 plus 2 -1 power 2 plus 2 into A11 into A33 minus A13 into A31. This same way C23 equal to -1 power 2 plus 3. This becomes -1 power 2 plus 3. This becomes A11 A32 minus A12 into A31. This one. 31. Same way AC31 minus 1 power 3 plus 1. This implies -1 power 3 plus 1 in bracket A12 into A23 minus A13 is A13 into A22. This same way C32 -1 power 3 plus 2. So this becomes -1 power 3 plus 2 in bracket A11 into A23 minus A21 into A13. This same way C33 equal to -1 power 3 plus 3. This becomes -1 power 3 plus 3. This way you can find out all minors and cofactors. Now we go for examples. So, first example, find minors and cofactors of matrix A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So, solution. First of all, we are finding minors. So entries are minor M11. What it is? Minor of 1. minor of 1. This is A11. So this becomes first row અને first column સિવાયની entry. તો અહીંયા દેખ્યું તમારી પાસે 4. M12 it is minor of 2. First row second entry it is 2. So આનો answer આવશે 3. M21 it is 2 cross 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. Minor of 2 1, so it is 2 1. Second row first column sivaini entry, so it is 2. Minor of 2 2, so this becomes 1. And cofactors, what happens? C11 equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 1, J address first row first entry into M11. So this is minus 1 power 2 into 4. So minus 1 power 2 it gives you plus 1 into 4. So it is 4. C12 minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into M12. So M12 is 3 minus 1 power 3 into 3. So it is minus 3. C21 minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into M21. M21 is it is 2. So it is again minus 1 power 3 into 2. So it is minus 2. C22. This implies minus 1 power 2 plus 2 into M22. M22 it is 1 into minus 1 power 4. So it is 1. This way you can find minors and cofactors of 2 cross 2 matrix. Now we go for one example of 3 cross 3. So we can understand it easily. Example is 215 0 3 minus 1 and something 250. It is 3. This one is 3. Solution. This is example number 2. Okay. So first of all, find out all the minors. How we can find minors? M11. What it is? Minor of 2. Here is first entry. What it shows? M11. In matrix, first row, first column entry. So it is this one. It is this one. So what happens? What we can write? First row and first column sivaini entry. So this becomes 3 minus 1 5 0. Same way M12 I write here M12 what it is? This one. First row second column. So first row and second column ने बात करें तो શું આવે 0 1 0 minus 1 2 0. Same way M13. So this becomes third row and third column. Third row and third column. So this will first row and third column. Sorry 0 3 2 5. 0 3 2 5. Same way M21. So what happens? This entry second row and first column. So 3 minus 1 5 0. 3 minus 1 5 0. Same way M22. So it is this one. What happens? Second row second column કાઢો તો શું થાય 2 5 2 0. M23. This one second row third column. So 2 1 2 5. 2 1 2 5. M31. It is first row for third row, M31, third row and first column. So it is 1, 5, 3 minus 1. M32, this happens, what it is? Third row and second column, 2, 0, 5 minus 1. 2, 0, 5 minus 1. And the last one, M33, it is minor of third row, third column, this entry. So third row, third column, 2103. 2103. Now, how to solve? Simply cross multiplication of these two. 3 into 0 minus 1 into 5. Okay, so 3 into 0, 0 minus plus 5. So it is 5. Same way this one, 0 minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 1 into 2. So this is 2. Same way this one, 0 into 5, 0 minus 2 into 6. 2 into 3, it is 6. So it is minus 6. This one. Same way, 0 minus plus 5. So it is 5. Same way, this becomes 0 minus 10. So it is minus 10. 2 into 5, 10 minus 2. So it is 8. Minus 1 minus 15. 5 3s are 15. So it is minus 16. Same way, minus 2 minus 0. So it is minus 2. Same way this becomes 6 minus 0. So it is 6. This is your minor part. How you can this one when you find minor. Now cofactor. Cofactors. So first of all, I will make change here. C11. Here I write cofactor of 2, element 2. So it is J address or address put out karo minus 1 power 1 plus 1. So this becomes into minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into this. So it is minus 1 power 1 plus 1, minus 1 the power 2, so it is plus 1. So again it is unchanged 5. Here it is C12 minus 1 power 1 plus 2. So it is minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 2. So it is minus 1 into 2. So it is minus 2. Same way, C13 minus 1 power 1 plus 3. So this becomes minus 1 power 1 plus 3. It is 4. 0 minus 6. So it is minus 6 as it is. Same way, C21. So it is minus 1 power 2 plus 1. So this is minus 1 power 2 plus 1, 0 plus 5. So it is minus 5. Same way, C22 minus 1 power 2 plus 2. This becomes minus 1 power 2 plus 2. So it is plus 10. Same way, this becomes C23 minus 1 power 2 plus 3. So this is minus 1 power 2 plus 3. So it is minus 1 into 8. So it is minus 8. Same way, C31. So it is minus 1 power 3 plus 1 into this. So it is minus 1 power 3 plus 2, 3 plus 1. So it is 4. So it is again unchanged, minus 16. Same way, C32. So So this becomes minus 1 power 3 plus 2. So this is minus 1 power 3 plus 2 in bracket this. So it is plus 2. Same way C33 minus 1 power 3 plus 3. So it is minus 1 power 3 plus 3. So it is plus 6. This way you can find minors and cofactors. Thank you for watching our video. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.